Hi, this is Helen here. I hope you're staying healthy and calm during this pandemic, and just seeing the numbers rise on a daily basis is very tough for all of us. Having obviously our businesses shut down for the time being outside of emergency cases is just definitely devastating for all of us. And shout out to all the moms out there that are watching this right now. I know that you're going through a lot. I know I'm going through a lot as a mom. I'm teaching, I'm cooking, I'm cleaning, I'm washing the dishes, and it's a 24-hour run, and it feels like nonstop. And I've been at it for a month, and I'm sure some of you have been on it for even longer. And we don't know when this is going to end, but you know what? For me here at Masters Arch, I've decided there are certain things that I can do and I can accomplish even during these hard times. And so one of the things that we decided to do here at Masters Arch is to share some videos and articles with you on a weekly basis. Every Friday we are publishing a new article. It's going to involve some of you guys. We're going to be emailing out to some of you for the weeks ahead to get involved in being a part of this during this pandemic time, and then even times to come when things get better and our business is just running like we used to. So today I wanted to talk to you about what you can do, just like I am. I made a choice to do certain things right this minute. And there are things that you can do as a dentist to share with your community. So my community is you, and that's what I'm doing today. So your community is your patients, right? So what can you share with your community today during this pandemic time? So I want you to utilize your social media efforts. Social media is something that you could do online at the comfort of your own home. You could do it in your practice. You could do it anywhere where you have your phone, which I'm using right now. I'm using my cell phone, and be able to make these short videos, video clips to share with your community. So let's talk about 3 types of videos that you can make at the comfort of your own home right this minute.
Welcome to Masters Arch, a dental laboratory offering premium full arch, cosmetic, and complex cases. My name is Helen Han, inspiring you to get your name out to your community every single day.
Number 1, inspire and influence. This is where you get to take charge and be that influencer that you are in your community already. People, when we have oral questions, we turn to you. This is the time to get your expert hat on and share those tips, just like how I started my video, and just relating with you and how I'm going through the same thing that you're going through today. You know, things that are deep in your heart, what you're going through right now as a dentist, and share that with your community and how you're doing things in your home today, spending time with your family, cooking more, getting involved in kids' education, all those different things that you're doing today in your own home. For example, inspire your community to do certain things to keep their days busy and productive during this time. Help people to see the light during these tough times. So this is time where you can motivate, you can inspire people to know that there's going to be better days. This is not the end of the world, and we're going to see better days. And so as someone who we look to for help in certain areas of our lives, this is your time as that leader to share the good news, you know, that this is not the end of it all. And then, do you have some favorite products that you want to share? Your toothbrushes, your opinion matters, remember that. And so as a consumer, I don't know if a bamboo brush is any better than an electric brush. You might, or maybe it makes no difference. Share that. So these are ways where you can share this type of inspiring, influential videos. You can also share a review on electric toothbrush or any type of items that you sell in your store, in your dental practice. You might sell it online, you might not, but share those reviews and why you choose to go with this brand, because what's the difference? So share those types of reviews on products for oral health that we can take advantage of, and that those are all inspirational and influential videos that you can share. Number 2. The second type that you can share is helpful tips. So for example, creating a 1-minute video or 1 or 2 minutes on how to properly brush your children's teeth at home in the evenings. So this is a question that all moms have, all dads have. I'm in the dental field and I still don't know how to properly brush my children's teeth. So, you know, and my youngest is 9 and my oldest is 16. And so these are tips that you can share at your home right now. Maybe you make a video with your child featuring in the video and sharing those tips and how you brush on a daily basis at home with your children in the evenings. So these are helpful tips. There are many oral helpful tips, remedies, and tutorials that you can share online. This is your space, this is your social media, and so when people come to this and see the different tips that you're sharing, your efforts in sharing those information about oral health, people will be so engaged and so loving in your community. So share those helpful tips. Okay, I recently saw an Instagram post that a famous hairstylist, and this is a Hollywood hairstylist, she does Jennifer Lopez's hair, I mean all these famous people's hair, and obviously she's in California and she's stuck at home as well. And so what she started to do was share some helpful, like 1 or 2 minute videos of how to straighten your hair, how to curl your hair using just your brush and your curler or your hair dryer. And so those are things that she's doing obviously in her industry. So what can you do in our industry? Right? So think about all those different tips that you can share just within 1 or 2 minutes. All right, the third type of video that you can create is treatment education. So this is the best time where not only are you watching this video right now, but other consumers out there are stuck at home and watching and browsing the internet right now. Social media being one of the biggest things that people are looking at this moment. So this is a time to share a 1-minute video about a favorite treatment that you want to talk about. A common question that people ask me, and I'm not even a dentist, all the time, are things like, hey, my doctor said I should get an implant, but he also gave me an option to get a bridge. What is the difference? What do you suggest? Well, for me, I feel like there's no brainer, but this is where you get to share your expertise and share and educate people. Not one is better than the other, but educating them on dental implant. Here's the pros and cons of it. And here's the pros and cons if you choose a bridge. And also sharing, if you decide to go with a dental implant, this is what steps we need to take, how many appointments, it might cost you X amount of dollars, giving an estimated number, and dental insurance cover it, it's not covered, it's only covered a certain percentage, things like that. So these are information that you can share about treatment and educating the consumers, not based on your opinion, but really educating the different options that we have when you have a missing tooth, right? So that's what I have for you today, and I will be back next week, and next Friday we're gonna have Sean join us. So make sure you open up your Friday newsletters from us weekly, because we're gonna have freebies in there every single week. Take care, stay healthy, and stay calm. Things will get better, and we love you.